विसापरा न्यूकार जे रितीन रस्त्यार गाडी चलोवप्यांक हेल्मेट म्हत्वाचें तेच रितीन दर्यांत वचपी नुस्तेमारांक लायफ जॅकेट घालप म्हत्वाचें. मात थळावे नुस्तेमारी करपी भाव ही गजाल गंभीर तरेन घेना. तांकां लायफ जॅकेट घालप सक्तीचें करपाक जाय म्हण DIG मनोज बाडकार उलयला. RDX गोवा खातीर मुरगांवच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
Today is the 41st Rising Day of the Coast Guard. In the last 41 years, the Coast Guard has, from a nascent stage, has come to be one of the fourth largest Coast Guard of the world. In the year gone by, we have saved about 931 lives. And in the recent cyclone which hit the west coast of India, we have been able to save 438 lives at sea. The Coast Guard overall in the country has grown leaps to bounds, especially at Goa. About 4 years back, we had just 2 interceptor boats. Today we have got a helicopter carrying an advanced offshore patrol vessel. We have got 2 fast patrol vessels. We have got 3 interceptor boats here, along with the aviation squadron which we have at INS Hansa. Coast Guard in the future, now we are at a stage of consolidation. Infrastructure-wise, our men and officers suffered heavily because of non-availability of accommodation and other infrastructure. We didn't have our own berthing facilities. Here at Goa, today we have got 2 jetties, courtesy the MPT, on lease for 20 years. And in the future, we think at Goa we are going to base another big ship and 2 smaller ships. We would request the owners of the fishing boats to take this onus and try and bring it the way we are saying that helmet, which is the most important thing, which can save a man's life. He has got a helmet, but he doesn't wear when he goes on a bike. Exactly like that, even if I feel if they have got life jackets also, they tend not to wear it because it becomes uncomfortable for them for operating at sea. We should make such safety instruments as a habit for these people.
You communicate well in your community interaction. You are asking all this to
our basic community interaction programs. Central line is safety at sea, especially life jackets, life buoys, non-use of kerosene stores on board, or how to use it if it has to be used. These are the things which create small incidents out at sea, which takes to bigger proportion and where lives and property is lost at sea.